Okay, this is the new Plush Puppy. Walk in, and this is the reception area. So that's what you see when you first come in, is those doggies. And then they walk around. There's a Scottish Terrier, a Chihuahua, and then that's where you walk back to the grooming. And this is our front desk. There's going to be a wall there where that's all open, so don't look at that. And then we have a big bay window, very pretty. And then there's going to be some stools and stuff there for customers to sit. All of this is junk that has to be put away, but yeah, so that's kind of where I work. I will take more video when it's all done, but it's not done yet.